Amici miei, welcome back to yet another video, and as you can see from my background, I am in another country. I am in Bucharest, the capital of Romania, and you will see more video coming this week and in the next one. But now let's focus on the topic of this video, how to find cheap flights. In this video I will show you the best tips and hacks to find cheap flights, no matter where you headed. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video you will be ready to book your dream vacation for less. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. Number 1. You have to use the search engine effectively. One of the easiest ways to find cheap flights is by using flight comparison websites. Google Flights, Skyscanner, Kayak, Momondo are just some examples of it. I am not affiliated with any of them, by the way. They help you search across multiple airlines and booking platforms at once. But here is the trick. Use the everywhere search feature. For instance, on Skyscanner, you can search for flights to any destination. This is perfect if you are open to travel anywhere as long as it's cheap. You need to be a bit flexible here. Most platforms allow you to search for flexible dates for Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, because apparently flights on these days tend to be cheaper. Set the price alerts. This allows you to get notified when the prices drop. Be smart about browsing. Did you know that sometimes prices go up just because you search for flights multiple times? Yes, websites do track your browsing. So here is how to avoid that. You can either use incognito mode or you can clear the cookies from your browser. Best times to book cheap flights. Timing is everything when booking flights. And here are some things to remember when you book them. You need to book at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance. For domestic flights, usually the sweet spot is around 6 to 8 weeks prior to the flight. For international flights, you should aim from 2 to 4 months in advance. Fly during off-peak season. Flying in shoulder seasons like late fall and early springs can help you avoid peak pricing. Avoid holidays. Yes, unfortunately, you need to do some sacrifices here. As you already know, prices skyrocket when it's holiday season. Christmas, Easter, New Year's. So try to fly before or after this season. Explore alternative airports and routes. Another great hack is to try to fly in or out from other airports. Big cities usually have smaller and less known airports nearby, so the flights might be cheaper and less crowded. For example, if you're flying to New York, check flights into Newark or even close cities like Philadelphia. Then use public transportation to get into the city that you wanted to go. Also, connecting flights can usually be cheaper than direct flights. So if you are not in a rush, see if a layover can save you some money. Airline Travel Rewards. You can, for instance, sign up to the airline newsletter. Many airlines have flash sales, which they speak about on their newsletter. Moreover, you can accumulate points with many airlines when you fly with them, and you can use these points to buy additional flights. Budget airlines and travel fees. Budget airlines like Spirit in the US, Ryanair and EasyJet in Europe can offer amazing deals, but you have to be cautious. They often have extra fees for things like carry-on luggage, seat selection and even printing your boarding pass. So make sure to take in consideration these extra fees before booking the flight. Sometimes what looks like a great deal can add up extra fees, and it might even be cheaper to book a normal airline, not a discount one. And that's it, amici miei. These are the best tips and tricks to book cheap flights. Comment below with any questions and share in the comments your best advice to find cheap flights. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you will never miss any other video. Happy flying and see you next time. Ciao!